Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to add extra baggage on Air Arabia after booking. So guys, if you want to add the extra baggage on Arabia, so guys, you just follow this video. First of all, you accessing your Air Arabia booking. So for this, open the official website on your mobile as well as desktop. Then locate for the option of manage and booking. After that, going to the option of my booking option and enter your unique booking reference number provided the last name as it is appear on your booking. Then click retrieve booking and finding booking to proceed. After that guys, adding extra baggage allowance. So once your booking is open, so you can easily modify your baggage options. Within your retrieved booking, find add services or modify flights. Then look for the baggage or excess baggage section. Then select the desired extra baggage weight or the pieces and then review the available options and associated cost. Then confirm your selection to add it to your booking. After that, complete the payment for the baggage. So guys, the final step is securely pay for a newly added luggage allowance. Proceed to the payment summary page. Double check the total cost for the extra baggage and choose your preferred payment method from the option. Then enter your payment detail accurately and securely and click the option of pay now and complete purchase to finalize. Then look for the confirmation email with your update entirely. Okay, so guys, this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.